Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we learn closed feather stitch. We do this stitch in 2 lines. You start in 1 line and you make a stitch on the other line so that the 3 points will make a triangle. Put the thread below the needle and pull over the thread like this. Now put the other stitch in the previous line. Again the 3 points will make a triangle. Thread always below the needle and pull over. Now you got a triangle here. Then again in the other line you insert the needle, thread below the needle and pull over. So now you will be getting continuous triangles. Put the thread below the needle and pull over. You got another triangle. Again insert the needle in the previous point and take it over, thread below the needle and pull the thread. Here the feathers are all closed and so we name this as closed feather stitch. Now we have to finish it. So insert the needle outside the stitch and pull through. I hope you this stitch very easily. You can use this stitch for border lines, and this is the back view of the stitch. If you have missed my previous videos, please go to the link given in the description box. If you like this video, share with your friends. For more embroidery stitches, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.